I think birds might have super abilities. Ooh. Cozy in that mother. What up, YouTube? The Russian Slides breakdown video. From an empty nest to laying an egg all in 8 minutes, and that might not be as crazy to you guys, but I am genuinely amazed by it, and I'm gonna react to it. Hit the like button, comment below, let me know what y'all want to see next. Subscribe to the family road to 100,000 subscribers. From empty nest to first egg. Okay. Fire color bird. I'm looking around. Spacious. Pretty spacious in here. Okay. TV on the wall. Couch right there. Okay. There where the stove gonna be. Bathroom back there. Okay. Okay. Front door. For sure. Make sure the ops ain't out there peeking. Like these are R6, jinxie moments. Grind. They spawn camping. He ain't trying to get spawn camp. Nah, I'm out of here. Did some night work. Okay. Good night work. Ooh. Cozy in that motherfucker. What's this white stuff? That bird looking pretty thick. It got egg inside. I can see it. Oh yeah, look how thick it is. Really fit through hole. Was that the egg? Okay, so the white stuff's a food source for them. Okay, I'm understanding. I'm just realizing this bird doubled in size. Completely doubled in size. Look at the head compared to the body ratio from the beginning to now. Boom, 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 boom. I feel like birds move on beat. Boom, 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 boom. Uh, oh yeah, she okay, the egg is there. Oh, it's another bird. Two birds, shawty, egg in the nest, yeah. Jeff Hardy. I don't know. Oh, nigga came in this. Who the fuck was that? Who came in this? D46 was a wild one. Yo, I can't lie. I don't know why, but birds are so cool to me. Love folk built that whole thing, then yeah, D. Hit the like button. Comment below if y'all want to see some more birds. I don't know. Subscribe to the family. Till the next one, I'm out. Peace.